Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Brian Rojas, and today is April 6, 2022, and the start of our biochemistry course. Currently, I am living in Vancouver, Washington, just outside of Portland, Oregon, here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Originally, I am from the East Coast, from Long Island, New York, to immigrant parents from Colombia. I went to college at the University of Albany in upstate New York, where I graduated with a bachelor's in human biology in the year 2012, so 10 years ago. After graduating, I joined the Air Force and I became a pararescueman, also known as a PJ. As a PJ, I am a special operations rescue specialist who is trained to perform in every type of condition or environment on Earth, whether it's hoisting an injured soldier off of a battlefield or rescuing a lost civilian or hiker who may have fallen off of a mountain, to recovering astronauts from space once they're coming back from space and landing in the Atlantic. I've been working as a PJ for the past 10 years, and I'm currently a part-time reservist. Besides my job, my hobbies include working out, running, skiing, and being out in nature in general. Currently, me and my girlfriend are also training for a marathon scheduled for the end of July. I am also super excited to learn about some of the content in this course, especially human energy systems, metabolisms, and how I can apply some of these things to my training performance. So hopefully it'll give me an edge for the marathon so I can beat my girlfriend, so that'll be kind of cool too. I am not a full-time student, and this is my only course through the University of New England online. I am taking this course as a prerequisite for physician assistant school. This is my final prereq, so I am super excited about that. CASPA applications open up in a few weeks, where I will start applying to several programs, and if all goes well, I will be starting PA school sometime next year, so fingers crossed. Before I go, I just wanted to say good luck to everybody, and let's crush this. All right, everybody have a good night, and I'll see you guys later.